Mike.
Mike, where are you?
Mike. 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 I mean, I can turn my gain all the way up. Gain's all the way up. I feel like that'd be too loud if my gain's all the way up. All right. Let's see here. Turtle's all the way down. Gain's all the way up. Let's see. I'm gonna do this to this chart. I'm gonna change my CL chart and add the AI enhanced chart trader to it. Then give me another. Another M&Q chart. There you go. All right. Let's get my accounts ready on the ones I want to trade. Switch my chair out. Get in the command chair.
We got 6 more minutes.
Yeah, I'm just getting all my affairs in order here. All right, I'm going to do this account and this one. Okay. I want to do... I'm going to do... Which one do I want to scale with this time? Dude, that last scaling got up to $80. The one I was doing before I just did it. $80.
I mean, you just do that all day long. You rack it up.
What I was doing with you, Tom? $80. Dude, come on. It's ridiculous. You know? As long as you got a good feel for what's going on in the market, take those little...
I mean, it all comes down to, exactly, it's all bias. If you can predict the bias right, direction, you're good. You almost can't lose. You take some heat.
I feel like I'm pretty good about that,
but you can't. Well, obviously I was saying that to other people, but yeah, I mean, as long as you come into the market with a pretty strong bias and knowing that bias is right and it ends up being right, well, then it's almost next to near impossible to lose scaling in like that. I mean,
next to freaking impossible. I mean, what? I'll do this. I'm gonna do this all afternoon, right after the FOMC.
I mean, it's just dynamic sizing.
Wait, yeah, we're doing. Yeah, here we go. All we're doing is using a dynamic sizing methodology.
That's exactly what it is. By the way, that's coined here at Liberty. I almost said Liberty. At Two Normal Dudes Trading.
TNDT, dynamic sizing methodology. That's our
DTM. No, DSM.
It's we use a variable risk progression to create a positive expectancy in our dynamic sizing methodology.
Holy cow, that's a lot of words.
Sounds good, though.
It does. It sounds really smart. Really smart.
I lost track of what accounts I'm on. I got to start this whole damn process over again. Hold on. All right, so I got this one on this account.
I only got 2 to trade, so it's pretty easy for me. I'll trade one.
I'd
Get
add
it,
money
get it
this
to.
afternoon. I don't know about you, but if things go the way if they start swinging, I'm trading every account still.
The only thing I
Because
don't like is it doesn't look like typical FOMC in the sense that it's just creeping
well,
up.
typical lately has been nothing.
Well, that's true. What is typical nowadays, right?
Yeah. So,
You're
but what
right.
I am going to do is I'm going to take advantage of whatever happens. Okay, that's on the right account. That other one's on the right account. So let me make sure this one's on the right account, and we'll be good to go. Nope. Which one do I? Yeah. Okay. All right. I think we're pretty well good to go here.
Let's go. Come on.
All right. All right. I'm all set up, ready to go. I got a bunch of different charts on different accounts, different things set. I got ATM set for 4 different accounts. That way, if I want to take a proper entry or a traditional entry, I can do that. I got another 4 set for a dynamic sizing methodology. So
Well,
if
no,
this thing is here, if this thing is up, what time is it? Do I have time to go through this real quick?
you got 15, 10 seconds.
Never mind. We'll just get ready to play ball.
5 seconds.
I wanted that on the M and Q.
1 second. And there it is.
A whole lot of. Let's see.
Hold on to your seats, people.
Buddy.
Hold on to your seats. It's going to be a delayed launch.
Yep.
There we go. Interest rates. Actual 3.75 forecast. So they didn't do nothing.
Yeah, well, I didn't think they were going to change anything.
No.
I mean, pretty much everybody on the planet knew that. All right, let's think through this for a second.
I mean, technically it would be setting up.
All right, well,
You go by the reaction long, but
I was just about to say, if this initial move is something we could judge things on, I think. I mean, right now we're pretty much freaking neutral, which tells me, it tells me we could probably just go right back to our martingale trade system here.
The same scenario. I don't think anything's going to change.
Yep. Still with a slight short bias, probably, because we haven't made new highs today. Right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely a short.
Let me see. Yeah, let's get one account in this. I'm gonna get one in. One in. I'm gonna dip my toes in the water here. Dip my toes in the water. One short. I need to switch to a different chart up here because I can't do it with that chart trader. So I'm gonna put this ES one. That's the account I want to use anyway. This is the account I want to use anyway. Replace that with this guy, and let's get one rolling here.
Like at the hole below this pivot would be a lot more comfortable. Below VWAP and the pivot on the NQ would be good.
I'm gonna put one on. Let's put one on. You want to do it?
Yeah, I did. I'm in.
Okay. Well, it took me a minute to get my charts in the right spot.
I'm in, and I'm about to be target off. There you go. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay. I should go on 2 in, shouldn't I?
Yeah, I gotta just get that one target off.
So I need a 6. Let's do a 1,000. Where's my?
Does it break here, or is this just a pullback?
I think we're just going to be in this damn range, man. Let's just play the range.
Yeah.
Let's play the range.
It's got to hold this. Definitely got to hold this pivot, or we're going to have to think long if it comes back up above VWAP.
Look, do me a favor. Look at the 30,000 tick chart.
30,000?
That's what I think I was using. Yeah, 30,000.
Oh, okay.
What up in this chart do you see? Other than this
No,
is
there is no up.
This is an absolute 1,000% solid level on the bottom side. I know that. So we have all the way up to, again, like I said this morning, we've got it's a 50-point range, but damn, dude, it's playable.
Yeah. It is definitely playable.
I'm going to do it. I'm convinced. With a short bias. I mean, I would have been 1,000% right this morning, correct?
Yep, they would have been definitely right. I mean, this one's working out. Look at this one. This is fine.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I just should have put 2 on to begin with, but that's not a big deal. And then, we'll do it like this. We can do this real easy. Let's take a baby target. Let's just start doing this the right way. Oop, I can't do that on that one, can I? Let's take a baby target here, down here at the bottom. If it would do my thing for me, do my bidding chart. Take a baby target, boom, got it. All right, now let's set this chart up so that we need to have it done the right way. We want to get back in, at levels, right? So we got something back here, right around. I think this is the easiest way to talk about it too, right? I'm just going to start talking about it this way. Get back in around add 1 right there, where this doji is, around 152.
Yeah.
So 152.
Yeah, 152, 157, 51.75. Yeah, 52.
So then we put a sell limit there, and then we would obviously want one back up here around the actual level. Around that might be a little aggressive. The level actually might be a little bit higher if you look back here to yesterday. It might be sitting around 58. So there's another one.
Yep.
And then you go all the way to today's intraday high, or at least to 65 on another one. And then obviously today's there's your quick and easy grid, quick and easy dynamic sizing methodology right there. I just gotta get used to saying that shit.
Should take a little while.
So
See
look
what
at
happens.
the target.
See if we
The
get
target
back
was
up
really
there.
good. What's that?
I said, let's see if we get back up there.
I switch. I gotta pull this off and switch accounts on this one. Let's see if I got another one ready to go. All right, that's it. This is the one I'm gonna get in now. New account, same new account, same thought process, except for on this one because we do have a pretty strong down bias here. Now this is a huge support area. What we're seeing, right? This huge support area. So why not take a long position and get your targets back here short. Oop. You know, what's the level we had? 52. Yeah. Well, how about you take a target there?
152, 15175. Yeah, 152.
Yeah. I mean, take a target there. Why not? You know. And then if it goes any higher, we can go back to this next level up here, right? Next level. Next level, we put a. That's a little high. Okay. Or even if we were really thinking this was going to be aggressive. Now, and if this fails, what do? We do what I did earlier. If it fails on the downside, because again, we know this is a huge level. Okay. If this fails here, we reverse this one whole contract.
Oh,
Think
there's your bounce
about
up.
this though. This is just stupid easy, man. I reverse this whole damn contract, and then I can even go up there and get that target. Do what you're supposed to do. I think this is easy to teach, right? This is what's that level at? 64 ish. 64.
Got another one there.
Yeah. And then all the way up to where we came from earlier. I mean, I'm probably not going to use it, but there you go. It's not going to get there. Should have taken a less aggressive target, but that's fine. I mean, again, we know this level. If this level fails, if it fails this time, we reverse this to the short side. I mean, I'm not going to keep adding into something that's going to go down to. I mean, because
We might get a little whipsaw here.
well, you're going to go down to S1 if this breaks here now, right?
Yeah.
So you definitely want to be in the short first. Now you got to try to add at the next level down. But then I want to be short. I don't want to be long. So, this is one of those ones you probably. I mean, and that's a $32 down right now. Oh my goodness, you can't make that up. Look, watch. Reverse it. Then do the same thing. Okay, these need to switch accounts. And switch to a different account because I want to trade this one. I want to trade this one a little aggressively. That account is where I want that on. Look at this other one, the original move. Okay, so I left the other one in. Here's my original contracts, right? Just to scale it, just using using our dynamic sizing methodology. I was able to get myself into a great position here, and now I can be aggressive. I can add at a lower level, right? So where's the level here? I can add back down here around 40, 42, 43. What is that?
Yep.
Yeah, around 42.50. So pop back up to 42.50. Grab me a contract. I'll add it. No, it's not going to do it. Never mind. All right, well, there you go. Now we can do the same thing with this account too. Not as good of a position here. But what do you do on this side? What do you do to add one here? You take the lower side of this little level that was made. Okay, the lower side of that, and it should come up to that and touch in and get you a contract on. Yeah, there you go. And now we can do another little baby target at the bottom because it probably will hit that again. Like a little baby target right here. There you go. And then obviously on this one, we want to add at the levels up here. So we want to add on this one at 40, 46, 75.
Yep. Working out.
46.75 is we want to add that one. So we want to put our sell at 46.75 on that one. I'm at 47, whatever. And then we still have all these levels up here that we could play too. Now, by the time it reverses this far, you might get a little antsy, but might as well put something up there. Like, what? Is that 50, 55, 50? There you go. People should be able to follow along with this, right?
Yeah, it's pretty simple, I think.
Mm-hmm. And this one needs to be adjusted too, to the levels that we were looking at earlier. That needs to come down to, again, right around 47. So right at our entry. That's not a bad place to get one on. And then if you can just look at the chart too, you can see where price turned around for the most part today, where price played around at, somewhere in this area. That'd be another good ad spot. I mean, yeah, look, it's even showing $40 on the thing right now. It's supposed to be in ticks, but whatever. And that's how you do it. I don't know how else to describe this other than the price likes to move from level to level. Now, one thing we do need to be aware of too, I think. You haven't talked very much today, Paul. Is it because I'm
I'm
talking
just
too
listening
much?
to you talk. Honestly, I'm trying to figure out. I'm just
Thinking through,
absorbing all this.
thinking through me actually using my brain again.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just watching you talk it through. Trying to get a.
Well, it's the same
Also
shit we
thinking
do,
about
right?
it
I
from a
mean,
teaching standpoint, right? I'm just trying to figure out.
same
I
shit
want
we
to make sure
do.
that whatever we're doing
This
is
is
clear.
probably probably where. Well, yeah, you're talking about for the end user. That's
Hmm.
yeah, okay.
That's why I'm just listening carefully. I don't want to interrupt.
Um, but I think you know. Well, I mean, I look at it like this: if price goes up to how many? What would I be looking for a short from here? You better freaking believe it.
Yeah, for sure.
You know. So why am I not adding? Why am I not putting a contract on there? You know, and my bias is obviously down. You look at the market today. My bias is clearly down. You look at NQ today; it's just nothing. There's no up or down to it. Flat. I love these big tick charts, dude.
Yeah, I know, right? The you talking
That's
about the
just
like the 30,000 and
15,000 for the NQ.
15,000 and 30,000. Yeah.
It just it just takes all the noise away. Takes all the noise away. This is what do I know about this? Uh-huh. What do I look? Tell me this is dumb. Like this. Thing, look here. This is really stupid. You tell me that you're not going. If I put another contract up here at I don't know 63, 50, 63, right at this level. Okay, maybe this contract should be a couple ticks lower, just in front of the level, right? And you tell me put another one up here at 63. Just looking at that big tick chart, that's all we're doing. So like right at 63. Okay. And then you're looking at the big tick chart here and you're saying, oh, well, there's another level up here. Well, let's look at that level. Okay, maybe I'll put another order at 72.50. Tell me that you can lose on that. Like the
Pretty
market would have to go
sound.
straight up.
I mean, it would have to be just a complete revert. Yeah, that's what I
It
mean.
has to be an absolute complete. Somebody said some BS that says, "Hey, everything's fine. The world's gonna fuck.
War's over,
War
and
is over."
we're jumping in bed with Iran, and we're all
Yeah,
gonna kumbaya off into the sunset.
yeah. It has to be some crap like that. Anyway, so now on this one, I got to put a little target in here. Little baby target. That's all I'm going to do.
That Lulu just popped in there?
I hope not.
We got to stop talking about her now.
Damn it. It was so much fun talking about her. Any other folks here? Tom, Gunter, Dan, Jacob, Jim, somebody, anybody, everybody. And you don't get aggressive with this. I mean, if you really want to trade, then now you got another account, right? Now we have another account. We can look at the trade. I'm obviously running these, but I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to looking at this smaller tick chart here and watch them run it all the way back up. I wouldn't be opposed to looking at a smaller tick chart here for a sell signal back up to where we came from. I mean, because what? 2 o'clock came with. You know, and I think we do realize that they've been freaking bringing it back up. I mean, how many times have they brought it back up and get stuck? And again, here's another thing about this way of doing this. If it does get stuck in this range, are you going to lose money? Probably not. Why? Because you're going to add contracts, take them off. Add contracts, take them off. Look, I am not going to be so stubborn that I wouldn't take the smallest little target just to get back down size-wise. Get it? Oh, that's it.
Right.
Get it?
Limit off.
Dynamic sizing
Dynamic
methodology.
sizing.
That's
hey,
called,
Lulu.
That makes dynamic sizing, right? That is dynamic sizing right there. Okay. All right, Lulu. Hi. All right, let's look for the sell signal here. This is a sell signal coming up on this chart. Do you want to take this short?
On the NQ or the ES?
NQ is setting up. ES is setting up too. I'm looking at the 610 on the.
I like the short on the NQ.
I like it on the ES too. I mean, so this is
it holds
just
the pivot.
Just
so,
to joke
yeah.
around about this, you could also put a sell stop in here, right? If you really like this and you're in a position, you can put sell stop in, and then make a little baby target. There you go. Oh, these two on the same account? I didn't want that either, but whatever. Go, baby, go. This is a short. This is a short. This is a short. And then I can have a little baby target sitting right here. I don't care if it's behind my entry right now. I want to get out of this. I want to get down to 2 contracts. So I got in here. I can get out there, and that not exactly a profit, but it doesn't lose me money really. It just gets me out of my contract.
Right.
I mean, I got in at 50.25, and I'm going to go out at 47.75. That makes sense to me, I think. Oh, come on. I got to kill this on the M and Q if this doesn't go down. That's supposed to finish. Keep on going. Go down. You know you want to. Yeah, now
looks good. It's opening below VWAP, so and pivot. So,
and it's a good setup.
I wouldn't bail out of it just yet.
Look at the setup here.
I mean, obviously, look. Here's the deal: if it breaks the pivot and the VWAP, then just reverse it long. You'll get your money right back. Because if it gets stopped here, you're wrong. We're just wrong. It's just going to keep going up.
Yeah, let's see. And I should have my stop in the right spot. It should be right there, technically. I don't want this on this chart. I'll get this. Which account do I want that one on? Here we go. I want it on that one. it's definitely gonna get a freaking stop.
Yeah.
I ain't smoking hopium over this crap. I've seen this before. The tiniest baby target here. Get me light. Maybe it'll go get it. All right, what account is this one? Oh, we might have a chance here. Let's see. We might have a chance. Ooh, buddy.
I'm not getting out of this thing yet.
Ooh, buddy. We might just have a chance here after all. We might just have a chance. If it doesn't do it this time, though, I got to
Yeah, I'll
get out of
probably
this,
get out of it
man.
with small loss.
It's going. It's doing it. Look at that. See, that's not horrible. And then here we go. We'll just put another little target back down here at the bottom. See if it goes. It goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Go get my target, doofus. You silly market. Again, there's a good likelihood that we settle into a range here. Really good likelihood. This will probably tell us right now if we're going to settle in this range or not. I think this is the most I've talked in like weeks. Months.
I'm just waiting for this thing to work out. Come on.
It's going to work out. It's gonna have faith. We are in a overall down market. So there you go. Target's off.
Come on.
Target off. You did get your target off?
I did not.
Now it's going to come get mine. Stop.
Yeah, I'm going to have to get out of this.
I should have left that stop
Yeah.
booster though. That's all right. Little tiny trade.
Dang it. Wouldn't take my target.
Trade. Little baby trade.
It's going to be a full loss. Come on. At this point, just get me down there and I'll get out. Should I kill it for $30? Yeah, I probably should.
Huh?
I'm still in it. It didn't take my target.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, now you look
Yeah.
at the big ticks right here. This is a decent setup to go both ways on.
If it gets anywhere down there, I'll probably just kill it. Now I will break and hold above his VWAP. I will push the long button. I will get it back if I lose it. If I lose it, but it looks like it's wanting to finish. Come on, go. Oh man, no way. What time is it? 2:24. He hasn't started talking yet. Don't really want to be in this when he starts running his mouth. Oh, Jay Powell.
Powell. Well, at this point,
Last time we hear from him.
at this point, I've pretty much taken profits throughout
There we
this
go.
session, and
I'm in profit. I'm in profit. Out. I'm out. Out. $7. Big money trade. Big money trade. Now watch it dump. Yeah.
here it goes.
Yep.
Here it goes.
You should have held on to it, I guess, but
Take my little baby target there again.
oh, excuse me.
And this one on that account, and then I'm gonna do the M and Q because we're gonna get some swings here. I'm gonna go with my six micros, on these guys. There's my target. Maybe this thing will keep running. There's another target coming up on this guy too. I mean, I could have done another little baby target and gotten out. So get down to one, come back up and add another one. I mean,
Be careful being in these when. Well, I mean, the other ones doesn't matter. You're layering into them, so
yeah, I got nothing that I can be hurt on right now.
yeah, you're not really. Doesn't really matter.
No, and this will come down and get this little baby target here in a second, and I'll be down to one contract. I said go down and get my baby target, market. But I'm not that worried about it. Yeah, I'll close these out in front of homie. I'm gonna leave one account. This one's in profit, so I could just literally close this out and be fine with it. But I'm not that worried about it. Because again, I don't see him saying
chip
anything
shots.
that's gonna turn this into like.
I mean, historically, he tends to tank the market, so we'll see.
Again, that's one of the reasons why I'm comfortable in a short position. Yeah, so I'm not very heavily weighted. I'm pretty darn good here. Like, really good, to be honest with you. I mean, we got 2, 3, 4. I mean, again, Friday I didn't do well, but like all last week, all this week, $600 to $1,100-$1,200 days every single day I've done this every day. Total profits, but that's still Jesus. You take $700 a day. Who's not going to do that? I'll gladly do this for.
And it's not even. I mean, don't get me wrong. That's impressive profit, but it's the risk level and the stress level.
Taking zero risk to do it.
Right. That's the thing. It's like, okay, great. Even if let's just say it only made $200. I mean, damn, dude, for no risk, you're never in a position. The 2:30, yeah, 2:30. Let's see if he starts talking soon.
Like, so I just saying this, but like, there's my other baby target here on this one. So now I'm down to one, and I'm in a freaking great spot. And by the way, that loss I took on 6 MES contracts this morning, all gone with this one trade right here, using no more than up to 3 micros. I just covered that loss just now. Minus what? 1875. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean,
using my bias.
I completely understand it. I just want to make sure that it's clear and everybody can understand it. That's all. Right?
Yeah. No, I agree.
We just
and
we need some feedback. Like, guys that are in here, we need some feedback. I mean, that's the whole reason you guys are in here.
Instead of using a program like we were before, I'm just manually doing it in front of everybody, and I think that's the easy thing to follow.
What it is.
That's pretty much it. But realistically, I have a pretty good idea what's good. I don't think it's that. And again, that's where. What's that dude I was watching do a presentation? He was like, "Well, if you're, I'll spend an hour with you, and we sell a coaching call to do it. I'll spend an hour with you, coaching you through how to follow the dynamic sizing methodology. We just spend an hour with them, teach them how to do it, and then, that one dude charges $300 for that session, and then on his presentation he does it for $99. I'm like, well, that's simple, and he's doing pretty much the same thing,
Yeah.
except for he calls it positive expectancy, which we're going to call
Positive
it
expectancy.
he-
I like that word.
He can't own that term, and we'll call it the same damn thing. Positive expectancy. Again, using variable risk progression to create positive expectancy with a dynamic sizing methodology.
Yeah.
Tell me somebody's not going to look at that?
All right. Powell is talking now. Let's see what this guy says.
Should I put a stop in and start over?
I mean,
I think
he could just say, I mean, you're so far in profit now. I think you could just, if you wanted to protect yourself in case of any spikes, maybe just like a break even or something dumb like that. But
well, I got this.
I don't know what he could possibly say that's going to stimulate the market at this point, but
No shit, right? I'm considering looking at a.
Trump says Iran has come a long way. Question is whether they will go far enough. Consumer spending is resilient. Is it really?
Yeah, because dumbasses spend money. Consumer spending is resilient. What the hell? He says the dumbest shit. Like,
I mean, they come up with some words. Was it inflation is transitory? Or what was
inflation is transitory? It's not getting on buses and moving around from city to city, dumbass.
They just come up with it. I guarantee you, they just sit in this room and just laugh.
They're
say, watch this.
What is he? Yeah.
Hold my beer. Watch this.
That's where the best SNL writers come from.
Oh, yeah. At the Fed.
the Fed.
They're like, hey, Jimmy, what are you going to say today? I don't know. I'll see what comes off my mind when I'm up there.
Let me get a writer in here. Well, have you used the words transitory to go with inflation yet? No, I have not. Does that even make sense? Well, the people are dumb enough; they're not gonna recognize that doesn't make sense.
That's transitory inflation. You've heard of it. It's an economic term.
Look, why don't we try this one more time? Sell stop up here at. This is a great plan. 54.50. $54.50. And then at what the next level up? Ooh, how about that? Interesting thought processes here, Brian. 62-ish.
There you go. There's the spike up.
62-ish. And it's going to give us a good sell signal here on the smaller tick chart with the M&Q. That is a good sell signal there.
This look, while this guy's talking, you just never know, right? You just get that little.
Yeah, I know. I mean, they use anything.
Spike.
But again,
he says the right word.
If you're really committed to the shorts, you go all the way up here to 73. But I'm not that worried about that right now. We'll play what's in front of our faces. All right, and then now you think about this. Now you think about like if it comes back down to like here, you think about getting flat. Like maybe if you don't want to be in this, you take a little buy stop and start over. Like if it can't stay down, you take a tiny little buy stop. Like find a level back here that's a little too loose.
Basically, just chip shots.
Yeah, you're just taking little chip shots. And then one will eventually run at some point. One will eventually run.
Yeah, spike up.
So, I mean, here, I'm only going to do this one account like this. I'm not going to trade anymore, just the one account. I'm going to leave everything else flat. And I'll just put put this one in this through this afternoon, and I'm gonna put another one up here at 73.50. So
Boom. There's your pop to the upside. I knew that was coming.
okay, well, fine, good, great.
But you're going to get a retracement. You can keep layering in. You're
Yeah,
going to get a
no, no,
retracement.
this is exactly what you want to do with this. Now, again, I don't like starting as low as we started, which is why I'm only doing one account this way. But if here's a now you think about it like this too. This is a level. You could start right here with a short
Yeah.
on one account. That's a level. So you can start with one account short, one contract. There you go, boom. And then if you really want to do it right, do a small baby target on that one. There you go. Go from level to level. What's the next level down from it? It's already hit it. Should have gotten it out at 47.
Yeah.
Should have gotten out at 47. Okay, there you go. Boom. Target hit. It's easy. This is easy stuff. This is going to play level to level. Then we do the same thing. And if I really want to get out of this again right here, I just close it out or take my target here. I could probably just close this and start over. Boom. Start over. By the way, I just made, just doing that, talking through all that, I just made $97 on those.
Took the trades on YouTube.
Huh?
Cool.
What'd you say?
Bo said he took the trades on YouTube.
Oh. Oh. You follow me on YouTube? Thanks, bro. Thanks, Bo. You know, you can pop out the chart here. So I just found out people have a hard time seeing it, Bo. But where's Bo at? He just came in, put that in, left.
He might have, yeah. I mean, he still has access. He's work failed VWAP. VWAP held and cube short.
That's the only issue I have with it.
Nah. I mean, yeah, but
That'll get me a following.
that's a double edged sword, right? It's like you got to give little to get.
It'll at least get me a following, you know.
Right, exactly. It's I'm okay with that. That doesn't.
Yeah, I mean,
that doesn't
all
really
so
bother
here,
me.
Try this. You know, I want to get a good setup for the MNQ here and take a trade. I'm kind of holding off on that. If the NQ gets up here to this next level, I'll put a short on there because we haven't been able to break that.
It's short now.
I know, but I can't trade. I
short.
could probably take two MNQ contracts out of here, not 6. If I can get it on in time. In the right account in time.
I already got target off. I'm a holding one above VWAP. If it comes back up, takes me out, fine. If not, keep running.
So you can put a sell stop below that structure too, I guess. It should continue down once it breaks it. I mean, this is a big ass stop, but I'm really green on this account, so I'm gonna do that. And then take
there you go. Should have took your target, didn't it? No,
I didn't get my target yet.
Oh, dude, you got in late. Okay.
No, I put a sell stop down below the structure here.
Oh, okay.
Assuming that it would continue down to 184. But my stop's at the right spot, so that's the only thing I can do on this one. That's a big risk trade. I don't like this. I like.
Yeah, and if you look at your big tick, NQ. It's got a nice little trend line right there. Good hold.
A little uptrend line. Well, if that breaks.
Yeah, a little uptrend line there. Could hold. If it breaks, you're doing good. Yeah.
I'm not that worried about this one on the NQ because if it comes back up to the top here and gives me a sell signal,
it's gonna fold again.
I will take it. I will add to this trade.
Dude, I know you already said it, but you really do. When you're looking at this, you have to base it on the big ticks because those tell you such a clear.
Yes.
Especially like you said, the 15,000 and the 30,000. Wow, takes everything away.
You don't have anything to say here. What do you say?
I mean, that's chop.
I'm trading from today. I'm trading from 280.
Look at your way. You could do that's a range right there.
I'm trading from there today. Pfft, done.
Or you could just part off those wicks up top there and have a little zone. Just wait for it to come up there and short it.
This is a, this is a, this is a nice
I
down
mean, it
on the.
doesn't get any freaking easier than that. The plus, not to mention that's a nice trend line on the 30,000.
Yeah, this is not hard stuff.
So
All right, let's wind this shorting back up on these MES.
here it comes. You're
Let's
fine.
do.
It held VWAP, so you're fine.
No, I'm just
This
trying to
thing's
pick a
gonna dump.
different account.
Cut this crap and go.
All right, I'm gonna switch to a different account on this one. Need to be in that account, and then we're gonna just start this over. Let's just start it over. I mean, I don't know what else to do here. This is the area where I broke and got short originally, and I got it filled all the way up to here. Why can't we do it again? You know, should have gotten it on and left it up here, and then, well, no, that's fine. I mean, it still took profit. I still took profit on it. So, okay, go down and get this target. Mr. Powell doesn't know his ass from a hole in the ground. This is real stuff. Real stuff here, dude. What time do we have right now? 2:42. So I'm gonna do. Let's think through this real quick. Let's go to our daily. Let's do the NQ first. Well, I don't need daily if I have this. I mean, I don't see us getting out of this the rest of the day. And if it does, it looks like it should be to the downside. We'll let it pop one way or the other, then I'm going to start adding contracts from the pop. But I mean, even like this, I could easily say, well, we're at a level now. Do I want to be long or short? Well, um, short. So let me put a contract on short. What? You're late. Oh, whatever. I keep switching accounts accidentally. Oh, I pulled the wrong chart over. And then, guess, here's the deal. Look, do this one more time. At 46.50, we add. Down here, we take away. At the next level, we add 54-ish. At the next level, we add. Oh, there you go, flat. See? This is tough stuff, I'm telling you.
Really complicated stuff.
Very complicated. Very dynamic. See, and then I'm gonna do it again because we're in a short market, so I gotta get back on there. But I'll add back up here, and I'll take another short target. Oh, we're supposed to get to S1. Oh well, that's fine. So let it get to where's the level at? We need to be at where it's at. Really, to be honest with you, maybe down here where it came from, like 44.
Oh.
44. And still leave your crazy orders way back here. If you're really committed to shorts like that, then you add here. And if it gets away from you, you can always take another baby target and get it off again. I mean, it seems pretty damn simple to me. No, I shouldn't have added at the bottom. I totally should have done that. That was a little overzealous on that my part on that one.
Little
Yeah, but I mean, look, think about this. I'm in profit again. Close it out. Close it out in profit, and then add back here at
You
where
let
I
it come
want.
up and then take it again.
Yeah, I've been wanting 46.75, right? So, sell limit. If it breaks below here, we can sell this too. I mean, if I wasn't in such a thought of the down market right now, I would put a buy in here. I mean, you could do if you knew. Again, Martingale says you should buy here and take this sell limit here. That's what it says. For profits. Instead of waiting to get in here, it says to buy there. Does that make sense?
Look at that.
Look how well that would have worked. Wouldn't that have worked really well? I can do this again. I'll take a little baby take a little baby target there. Because then I would be in short. I'd taken profits on the long, gotten in short, and taken profits on the short. Right here. Which is where you're supposed to take profits on the short. And then if I really, really want to do this again, get another one up here around 51, that's a level right there that you can see. Or we can go to the big tick chart, big boy, and say, okay, we know 54 is the level we want to do. Okay, so let's just do 54. Sell limit in. And then again 64, like we said earlier. Things that have to go vastly different. Like I said, again, to lose on this trade right here, you would have to, somebody would have to go, oh my God, I found the golden goose.
Yeah.
And everything's going to be perfectly fine. I mean, the odds of that happening are just silly slim. All right, I gotta do. I'm gonna try to get this. Now I want to do this account on this one. I'm gonna try to get an actual setup trade here. That one's, which account is that one on? Switch that one around real quick. Don't want to touch that anymore. This is so silly, Paul. I've added $240 this afternoon to my profits. Now a couple of them were those traditional trades that we took with the 6 contracts, but most of it has been me using these 3 different accounts here, and doing different versions of our dynamic sizing methodology. That's all I've been doing. I'm going to do it again on an account that I have set up here for this. All right, let's see here. Oh, what'd Pal say now?
He's answering questions. I don't know what he said.
Yeah, there's no reason for the market to be going up like this. Which is good. There's opportunity in this. Really good opportunity. This is not a bad position to be in either. I mean, realistically, this is a level you want to sell at. Find another level you want to sell at. Find another level you want to sell at. Look for, oh, here's that double top short we were talking about earlier, Paul, on the M&Q.
Yep, right on the M&Q.
Yeah.
This is an area here.
I want to try it because it's so small risk right
But,
now.
yeah.
Let it pop up just a tad bit more or create a little structure there for us. This is a big resistance today for NQ. Not Not even at 2 contracts yet. Oh, come on, give me that second contract. I don't care. That's enough of a distance between the two, close enough to the zone that I can do this and take my little baby targets down here. I wanted this on a different account. This one up here. So if I get a good setup here, this might turn into a setup here, Paul.
Into what, a cell? You
Yeah. I mean, let's let this pause
think?
for a
That's
minute.
a triple top at this point. So
Let's let it pause for a second and see.
yeah.
Just 2 contracts? Maybe just 2 contracts.
I mean, I have to get a clean setup here.
Look at the 610. That looks pretty clean to me, buddy.
Yeah, that is pretty clean.
We got a wick on the big chart now.
Yeah, now I like it. Little lower low, little lower high, excuse me.
Well, it just popped right back up, huh? Never mind. Whatever he's saying is making people think long. For now. He's just saying some crap. Now, I could be really tight on this target here. Just to make a few dollars. But this crap adds up really fast too.
Yeah.
I still like that sell. This is setting up nice little M structure here.
It is getting there now.
It's a nice setup right there, dude.
I'm getting the wicks. I like the wicks. I mean, I'll try it. I'll put one below.
I'm trying to decide if I want to do 6 contracts now or just 2. I feel like I want to do 6 on this one. I feel like that's going to be a good trade. I feel like it's going to be a really good trade, to be honest with you.
All right. Well, then let's find out if it is. How about that? I got a little money I can play with.
I'm not going to do 6 contracts.
No, I'm just doing 2. I'm not just this price action is not something I want to go big on.
Well, it's tradable though.
It is tradable, but it's just not something I want to go big on.
All right, go get the target. You got me in the trade. Now you get me out of the trade by profits. Let's see. This is supposed to be an area it sells from. If it doesn't do it, then, well, if it doesn't do it on the NQ, then we got to start switching our thought process. I mean, but there's also, it's got a lot up here to fight through. Yeah, this still seems pretty damn neutral, man. And, there's a little level up here at right at 300. There's a little level. Hold on a second.
Nope, not gonna do it. She's not gonna do it. Going up. Yes, back inside the opening range, and Q's about to break out of the opening range.
All right. This might be one of those ones where I flip it around. I could just easily reverse this trade.
I mean, it could, but you could also say that
Well,
right here at 92, you could get it some reaction. Huh.
well, this is the area where I wanted to see this fall. So let's just see. I don't think it's like anything outside of.
this thing go?
Yeah. It's not really going, to be honest with you. Still think we're pretty good on these.
Uh, the plate.
And I am eating carbs because I'm hurt, so leave me alone. So here's the deal. We talk about level to level, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I could, again, like I said a minute ago, I could easily have reversed this and gotten back up to, what, 60 and been break even again on the trade. Now, I'm committed to the shorts because I just don't think there's any way possible this is going to just completely go all the way. But if it does, again, I'm committed. I'll get up to 4 contracts. I'm fine with that. I'm not that worried about it. We don't have anything saying that it's just going to run to the upside. We're still within today's range on the NQ. I mean, and I'd venture to guess at this point,
Oof.
this candle's going to finish
Gone.
inside this other candle here. There it goes. All right, now it's out. I mean, let's see if it. I mean, here, if this continues up, I will change my thought process and reverse it because the NQ will break out of today's range if that happens. If it breaks out of today's range, then I'm gonna flip my thought process on the ES and take it all the way back up. Huh? What'd you say?
What?
If
What'd
the
you say?
NQ breaks out of today's range, which is getting close to the top of it, I'm going to reverse my 2 contracts on the ES to take them back up to 173. Do you think I'll make money on 2 contracts at 173? Yeah. So I'm going to watch the NQ to make that decision. That seems logical, doesn't it?
Pretty freaking smart to me.
Even right here in the ES, you get this. This is a nice little level today. Nice little level today. You got to remember, I got filled at around 40. I got filled at around 53. So
Oof.
40,
Gone.
53. Yeah, so I mean, now I need to start thinking about reversing this. I really do. I need to think about, okay, well, look at this. Wow. Let's be dumb about it. Let me reverse at the highs. How about that? Now, again, I could probably make money the way I did this morning, but I'm just going to prove a point here. So I'm down 75 bucks on that one. Yeah, $80. Sorry,
Terrible.
85. Yeah. So what? Hold on a second. Hold on. Like I should have stayed in it because I would prove the point that I'd make money on it. But
Exactly.
here we go. We can go
All right.
all the way back up to here now, right? We should be going all the way back up there. We actually are
Yeah,
closing
let it
above
pull back.
VWAP right now, aren't we?
We are above it. Yep.
Okay.
Let me
And we're turning
take a quick
up.
bathroom break. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Brian.
Yep. And we're turning up. Okay. Clear double bottom here on the ES. It was below the range I thought it was going to be at. So you just go back and take a look. Again, use a bigger look at this. Oh, wow. We went down to a level and bounced off of it. Could you imagine that? Went down to a level, bounced exactly off of it. Huh. Now maybe I should have seen that earlier and said double bottom off that level. Take it long. did not see that earlier. That's a mistake on my part. Everybody misses shit though. But that is clear double bottom there. So take that on the long side. 89 is turning up on this chart, so reverse that position and just do the exact opposite thought process here, right? Let's get back into a long down here. And it probably won't make a double bottom, so there you go. Now again, that's a sell signal, like big time sell signal. So anyway, that's the idea behind it. If you get broken out, but I still partial the shorts. I don't know, like, you know, sometimes I let Paul freak me out a little bit. Get it? But there's so much junk up here above this that you're bound to get those shorts. So again, I don't like this reversing thing very often, but I'm gonna go ahead and get back on the short side of things because that's where I want to be. Okay, stick to my original plan. I still have to take targets where I was going to look for them because that would be the only way to get profit. Okay. Oh, we need to be buy stops. These need to be buys. Okay, back from our little targets here. All right, so that's where we want to be. And Q had a nice little sell signal there. Shoot, I was too busy talking about my trade to focus on that. Okay. So anyway, that's what I want to do. That's and again, I mean, I like the play that I had going on here. So go back to this larger tick chart. I still think, well, so my average fill price messed up. Keep in mind, my average fill price is like 49, I think. Okay. So, you know, you could add another one at like a 53 and be fine with this. Let's see if it makes a little double top here. Now this is one of those ones you probably just have to battle out too. Like, I mean, it's not perfect, but you got to do it. You get in it. I mean, again, be smart about it. Don't like go down $200, $300, but and again, I would be happy to add higher and higher today. But here we go. We're going to get a big old wick on this. Big old wick. Big old wick. Big old wick. Should have taken that short. Damn it. That was a perfect one. Should have taken that short.
Yeah, that was a nice short. Well, we knew it was going to just went a little higher, but
Let me say within, somewhat within. And if it fails here on the MEQ, you almost could short this if it fails here on the MEQ. Actually, you can short it if it fails here on the MEQ. Right? That's the level.
it is the level. Yeah.
I mean, if it fails right here on the MEQ, you should be able to short it and get two. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm gonna take a risk on this one.
Uh,
I
Now
got my
your
I
real
put my
stop's
order
got
in
to go
too
above.
close. Yeah, I
Oh,
put my stop in too close.
yeah, it got me instantly. I couldn't move my stop fast enough.
I put my no, I put my sell
All right,
stop in
well,
too close to two. I need to
that's
be a few more ticks down. It's still gonna work out
two
for me
losses.
though.
That's two losses in a row for me. I'm gonna take a little break.
Two losses in a row.
Yeah, that ES got me, and
What's
well, it
he
didn't
at?
really get me. I got out for a small profit, but I consider that a loss.
Oh, I took profit on it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, you it didn't get my target for some reason. Remember,
Oh yeah, that's right.
I'm down whopping $34 in this account. I think I can live.
Oh no. Where's my next ad up here? All right, this is starting to give me a little poker factor here. I don't want to take more risk than that though.
I mean, overall, you think it's down, but
Well, it is what it is at this point. I don't have any real clue. I'm looking around for some real clues here on like. I mean, the only thing I keep seeing is the market's down. That's what I keep seeing. Most likely going to end up in a daily inside candle, right? Most likely going to end up somewhere. Maybe it'll end up back up here at where the U.S. Open was. So maybe we'll end up somewhere back at like what 70. Um, 70, yeah, somewhere back around 70. All right. I mean, in that case, then I got to work hard to get this, get some contracts on and off here. Yeah, so we'll probably end up back around 70, I would imagine, or stay
yeah.
down here.
What?
I mean, we might stay down here,
You should hear this babbling fool.
huh?
Apparently our economy is doing well. It's improving. What world does this guy live in? What world do all these people live in?
What makes him think the economy's doing? Like,
I
what's
don't
well
know.
about the
That's
economy?
what I'm saying. What world do these people live in?
My God.
They'll just say anything. They don't care. They just say it. It doesn't
Yeah.
make absolute. There has to be no rhyme or reason or logic behind anything. It just whatever they feel like saying.
Bunch of fools.
The Fed autonomy is at risk. He says the new guy coming in is a Trump puppet.
Fed autonomy at risk. That should make
The
the
Fed,
market go
yeah, the
up.
Fed autonomy is at risk. Every administration tries to use our tools for different aims, and we are here to resist. We have to resist.
The Fed
The Fed
saying
said that.
that's, oh my God.
Well, Powell said that. You
Yeah.
know, him and Powell and Trump, they're buddies. Not.
Well, I mean, again, I always go back to my thought process about the Fed anyway. I think the Fed's an evil demon, or the evil demon. Don't even like not a evil demon. It's the evil demon, and their tools are their tools for freaking inflation, and their tools are to make them money and not make other people money. That's what their tools are. Their tools are to make money so that they can make money on inflation. I mean, that's pretty straightforward, isn't it?
Pretty much.
I don't know what the Fed does. Not even kind of. That's exactly what the Fed does.
Yeah. Double top, Orman.
Um. All right. Well, let's see. Well, let's see if this happens here. Um, uh,
Grab this phone real quick.
oh, the economy's fine. The economy's fine. All right, I'm trying to decide if I want to stay committed to this. Because I need to be considering adding up around here 64 if I really want to stay committed to the shorts. We'll see here. I mean, I can't imagine that what he's saying is making the market go up. Although the economy's fine, so this is where I should be adding. I'm gonna watch price action up here and see if I want to go ahead and go with the add up here. We'll treat this like a traditional entry. And I will take a baby target on it just so I can reduce my exposure. Let's see. Just watch it for a second. Again, this is a level. We've seen it work. So let's see if it works. You're still within that. Still at the top of today's range on the M&Q. So, I mean, all right, I'm stick to the plan I made. If the NQ breaks out, I really have to reverse this here and take that for the long side because this thing's going long. Yeah. Now I have to reverse this. Stay long. I'm just gonna stay long on this all day. Rest of the day, I'm gonna be long. I could even add to this.
Gonna hold it
too. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably gonna add to it and take a baby target here at the pivot. That's where I wanted to before. Yeah, I mean that's a legit breakout on the
It's
NQ
up
here.
there now.
It's
Yeah, that's a legit breakout.
I mean,
Yeah,
you can't do a better breakout than that. I mean, that broke all the levels from this morning, so I had to go along with it. All right, now my bias is going to be long, and I'll probably end up, even if I want to do a little tiny baby target on that one, that's fine. But again, right now, where should this go to? It should go to 73. Okay, if I get to 73, does that turn my profit around? Yeah, that turns me into profit. Pretty close, about break even probably. There we go. Now, if not, I'm out of the trade. I close it. This will be my max loss for the day on this account. I'll walk away. $200 loss. Ooh, no. Oh, no. What are the odds I'm going to have another $200 loss on this over the next 5 days? Slim to none.
Slim to absolute none.
Slim to zero. I mean, but again, all the other accounts are... All the other... I mean, I got 124, 144, 174, 90 something, and I got one still sitting around $60 something, and then this account's red. But that's the one that started off. This is the one I took back to break even earlier today. So, I mean, that's a damn good day. No, it's not. Yes, it's a good day. It's a good day, Tater. It's a good
Sorry,
day.
I was on a phone call.
Now, had I
All
kept
right.
this, had I kept this flipped to the long side up here, great. But I couldn't do that without the NQ breaking out here, and there was a lot of headwind up here on the
I mean, it
ES.
still looks like it wants to go up.
It is
I mean, it
up.
might
No,
pull you back a little bit,
this
but
is no. This is a breakout. This is going.
yeah.
You break this level. Look at the MQ here. I had a level there. Here, I think that's the level. I love this big tick chart. Right there's my level. Right there. So there's a level. There's a solid level too. And then the next level is going to be up here, somewhere right in that area. Yeah, like right there, I think. Right close to right there. Okay, so breaks this level. We're going up to the next level, which is at 414ish. Okay. Now again, and here's another thought that people aren't looking at either, Paul, is that the odds of my shorts working out if I had held them through. Again, same thing. If I'd added one here on the short, which I wanted to, and I added one back up here around 73 or so whatever, then I only have to get back down to 61 to make money. Or it'd be 65 to make money. That's easy, because you get filled at, right? You get filled at your original fill was here at 47.
Yeah, somewhere around
Your
there.
next fill was at 53. Okay.
52 or 51, wasn't it? Or 52? Yeah, 53.
53 ish.
Hmm.
And then my next fill would have been here at 64. So that was 47, 54, and 63. So your average is right around 50 something, but then you get filled again at 72. Now you got an average somewhere sitting around here at like 55, 56. Somewhere right around this area. So 57-ish. You could
Oh, that's 320
realistically
already?
see price getting back down there today. I mean, so that's the point I'm trying to make with this is like things have to go really awry. Now again, I switched my thought process to the long side, but because 89 is pointing up now, and well, that's just it. And to be honest with you, I mean, I don't want to get this aggressive, but maybe I do on this account. Maybe I add into a winner all the way up to 75. I mean, you could, instead of taking this off, you could say, well, forget this. If we're going to 75, I'm going to add on the way up. I mean, I don't want to be that aggressive again, but
I'm going to pull back.
yeah. Again, I usually like my bias. Had I added one here on those two, again, I still couldn't have taken profit on those until I got down to, it would have been 50, 55, like I said, right around 54, 55. But that, I mean, again, that puts you in profit the next level down. I had to grind through it all the way up, but you're staying that short, it's probably going to work out, and especially in a market like this.
Yeah, in a market like this, I think should, yeah.
There's no like, oh, we're gonna go to the moon today. No, you're not. Not going. It's not. It's not going to go. There's nothing that's gonna happen that's gonna cause it to go crazy in one direction or the other. Is what I'm trying to make. So what I'm saying is, you're almost gonna be right in whichever direction you want to go with it.
This thing should, oh, we'll see.
Well, you're getting
Starting to set up for your buy
I was about to say that on the
on your
MQ.
NQ.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe put a buy stop there.
Yeah. Right above that. What is that, 17? Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So I'm done with that. I'm gonna switch to a different account and put a new one on. Put a new one up here. Where's my other chart? Try this one more time. Another bias here to the long side right now. One thing while you're away I didn't just noticed here is I gotta start looking at this bigger tick chart. Look at these other levels because I would have seen this double bottom here probably had I looked at that a little sooner.
Yeah.
From a level S1 double bottom, all kinds of good stuff. Should have probably seen that puppy. Should have probably seen it. Little W starting to form here on the M&Q. Let's see if that works out.
Mm-hmm.
From, guess where it comes from? A level.
Imagine that.
Look at one ticked into my entry. That's so funny. Came from a level. Now it's not a major level. Obviously, I don't have it marked off, but it's a level. It's definitely a level where price changes. I mean, look at this. Changed there, changed here, changed here, changed here. I mean, it's definitely a level. It stalled here in the past. That's a level. It's not the level above it's a stronger one, but it's still a level and still valid.
Mm.
Especially, I mean, this is one of those levels you take a trade at if you have a strong bias to the upside or downside.
Oh, it got me out. Did I get in before you? Must have.
Whatever.
Yeah, you got in at 18. I got in at 17. Yeah.
Reduce some risk. And again, I mean, we could go back up to 330, 340, or if it breaks that, then we got to go back. We're going to where? Let's see. Breaks 340. We're going to 370. I mean, potentially I'll have this next level, but I don't see that being the case. I mean, that'd be hard to say, but
Pal said, thank you very much. I won't see you next time. He done.
so now I can tank.
Yeah, now it could probably, yeah, now you got to see what it does.
Yeah, I don't like that it got up here to this level and just stalled out.
Yeah.
But that was a good trade there. I mean, it's made some money. Not everything I wanted it to be, but
Just small little scalps. Nothing really big. No follow through.
no. The thought process is it would go back down from here. That would be the thought process.
mean,
Let's see here.
this is a strong area here for the NQ. I mean, we've
It
been
is for the
stuck in
yes
this
as
area for a
well.
while.
It is
See
for
what
the yes
happens.
as well. And another thing too, like I thought about this a lot too. The guy that I was friends with that passed away, that was a huge trader that would double his position and reverse it all the time.
Yeah.
Do it. I mean, you could like he would get up to freaking ungodly amounts of like position sizes. Always walked away positive because he just doubled his position every time he reversed it. If it bounced off a level, he would reverse his position and double it.
I mean, that is definitely a methodology. You just got to be able to really handle some
Well, I was
drawdown.
thinking about that in micros though. Like you could do that. Like think about this. If I ran this on micros, I mean I'm not going to do it like that because that's hard. That's hard to follow. That's a lot of stuff. But I mean like we talked level to level today. Where were we? Coming out of this level, maybe you take one long instead of having the short bias. You get to this level, you take one short. Nope, didn't happen right. You take two short up here. Now it happened right.
Yeah.
Take one off here. You put one long
You
here.
know, up
Goes
there.
up to this level. You take two. I mean, that's basically what I'm doing. But let it go level to level. I mean, that's just the way the market's going to work. It's going to go from level to level. So it shouldn't be that complicated to like. I just think this. I think if we can figure out like the easiest way for me to stay consistent in saying stuff like our dynamic sizing methodology.
Dynamic sizing methodology.
Yeah, like this is going to end up being a short. Which again, you look at my plan. Watch had the plan had I stuck to my plan. Not get worried about things reversing. Stuck to the plan. You got to fill at 64
Yep. The
here.
overall would have been worked.
It's the second time today where I said, look,
Yeah.
yeah, because you get filled. What's your average fill price here? Between 40, what was it, 40, like 44? Where did I get filled at? It was, you're 47. All right, 47, 55, and 65. I mean, there you go. 50 right here. 55 is your profit point, right? That'd be your average fill price, pretty much almost identically. Exactly. 56 maybe. 56 your fill price. Tell me how that can't make you money.
Oh.
So, I don't know. There it is. So this thing's going to go back down now.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely it's short, and you're getting a setup here.
Holy shit. I didn't realize it was already 3:30.
I mean, I think we're good to 280. So next level down there, I think it's a
I
pretty
want to try
safe
this one
little
short here and then
push down.
yeah, let's do that. One short below
And
this.
you're getting a little bigger M. I like it. Bigger risk though,
Yeah.
because your stop's got to be the top of that swing.
Pretty. Oh, I don't know if it's the only account I want it on. Don't go before me. Don't go without me. Yeah, whatever. It's gonna go without me. Totally not the account I want it on.
There it goes. Target. Now dump.
Oh, I was trying to get in it.
There it goes.
Maybe I can jump in
Hey,
now.
got me a winner. It's about time.
Jump in now. Jump in now. Jump in now. I think so, right? I mean, it just broke this.
Come on down to 280.
Now.
That's a good little trade.
Yeah, you're gonna get down to 270 most likely on this. There it goes.
Boom.
Dumperoonie. I didn't get to get
Come on,
in that
280.
one. What a bunch of malarkey.
Target at 280.
Ryan.
See if I can get it. Nope. Come on. If it doesn't make it on this push down this next time, I'm probably going to just take profit here.
What?
Don't want to give any of this back. Trying to get this,
it's-
keep this thing green. Come on, 280. Let's go. 285.
This is going.
There it
going
is.
on. I wish I'd
283,
gotten
82,
into
81.
it.
And boom, target. All right. Got my money back. Got my monies back.
It's not
I'm
even
green
money
in
back.
that account.
Dang it! I wish I'd gotten another trade, another contract in there, another one in. Look at this. Look at my plan. Would we be in profit right now on my plan? Oh my God, Brian, you're so smart. Follow your plan every time, Brian. Dummy. Follow your plan. I'm seriously, man. We would have just hit targets right here, wouldn't we? I would have just hit targets. And then I told you were going to get 270, didn't I? Would have just hit targets using a variable risk progression. What I mean, this is how you create positive expectancy, right? You create positive expectancy by playing into a realistic thought process that knows that price is going to go from level to level, most likely. Guess what it just did? Went from the bottom level up 4 levels, back down a level, and that would have been profitable. Simply profitable. And you would have never been more than 3 MES contracts deep. How about that? All right. Well, that's it's 3:30, 15:30. You want to call it a day?
Yes, for sure.
Call it a day. It's been a great day. It's been a great day. It's been a great day. A grape day. It's been a grape day. All right, y'all. Dan, Gunter.